Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a corner lot. That is an investor's dream. It is beautifully laid out to maximize on landed space, to give a total of 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms in a two-level house. It is located at Florence Hall Village, Phase 3 in Trelawny. The property includes a enclosed garage, entertainment room, extra office space in the loft, two master suites with ensuite bathrooms, one on the ground floor and one on the second floor, consisting of his and hers countertop face basins, along with jacuzzi and huge walk-in closet on the second floor. There is a modern designed spacious kitchen with island and quality cupboards and kitchen built-ins. Outside is laden with fruit trees to include a mango tree. If you see yourself as the next owner of this property, contact and schedule to view or make an offer. You will not be disappointed. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 330,000 or Jamaican $51.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.